Tapos pala yung pula. Nga pala. Ay, ako meron. Matalong mo. Wala akong talong. Kain tayo guys.
Okay, where were we? Kitty, what are you showing your nails?
Nga pala.
No. Well, I wasn't asking. No way. We'll see about that.
Wala yung plato.
Wala naman kasi plato mo, dami.
How did you kill her? Well, you did it, huh? Just let me explain,
Yes,
please.
oh, dami talong mo.
Party, I spotted a really pretty butterfly.
Tama na to yun, thank
I
you.
stuck myself. I simply
Yan o, isang kaldirong kanin. Yung kung paano namin ubusin yan.
The butterfly very hard to shoulder. It passed it, and then because I accidentally spread.
Para naman kami ito bibitayin.
Ow! Can't believe you did this. All right, Kitty Cat, come in. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. But Hardy just didn't listen to me. I was so embarrassed. You see now, you didn't do anything.
Alin na, Big?
Detective Tyler.
Kain tayo. Big.
Oh, that's it.
Parang gusto ko magkamay eh.
Wait a second. Now, what do we have here?
Yung maganda. Ako nabubusog pa kami.
Hey, can you see me? Hey, girls, look. There's Hardy and there's Detective Tyler. But wait. Come on, we have to hurry.
Kain tayo, kain.
Where am I? What's going on? Let me go. All right, everyone, we have our prime suspect. You need to work really hard to clear your name.
Mainit ng talong. Sarap sana.
What I know, I swear.
Mama, kahit
I
kahit
can't
tulog, sarap
party
na, no?
before even
Kain.
started. I plan to set a trap and get the drop on that villain. Your Honor? Guilty?
Ano pinag sa anong sige?
Guilty. We have our culprit. You belong behind bars. Is your payload staging? What's up with her? I'm feeling so hungry. Those sandwiches sure look appetizing.
Ano kain sila?
Kain tayo.
Delicious. Is she telling the
Yung isa namin tagaluto nakapamaywang pa. Hoy, kain na.
truth? No? Well, whatever.
Hindi.
Ngayon ko sir.